Good morning, everyone. This is the 6th of September. And what I've been doing is for the last few days, I've been recording the results of all my charts on a daily basis. I'm trying to, get a feedback as to what's happening on the charts and with the intent to share with you as to the levels that I release and the significance of those levels. The idea is to share with you the accuracy of the levels that we provide on the charts and how well they perform on a day now. If you understand, we are looking at 5-minute charts on all the indices except the Fin Nifty and the Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty and the Mid Cap Nifty, where we look at a 30-minute chart. And on the other commodities, we look at a 30-minute chart. So the accuracy on the 30-minute chart can't be absolutely precise, but yeah, it can be in a range. And what we are going to discuss today is just that, as to what the accuracy is all about. So I'm going to start today. Today's the 6th, I told you. So I'm going to start today with some results that we got on the 5th, that is yesterday. And we look at all the 10 charts, taking the snapshots and looking at them one by one and seeing what we see. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys here. So this is the chart of Nifty. If you see, these are the levels we marked out on the 5th morning. And if you see, the Nifty it opened near about our level, came down and then spent the whole day between the decision zones of the buy and sell. Again, levels are important. It's stuck in these two levels, meaning that these levels had some relevance and the Nifty went on to be there for a very long time. Let's look at Bank Nifty now. So this is the Bank Nifty chart, and what you see here is that we opened gap up, we went back in, and if you see, we beautifully took a little bit of a support at the buy above level. Again, importance of the level. We did not get to our first level for reasons which are not only just the Bank Nifty, but the overall market condition. But we just managed to clip our buy above level and go back up. So again, levels important. We saw a bounce and shows the significance of our levels. Let's go to Fin Nifty. What does the Fin Nifty give us? Again, what did we do? Oh God, this is a 4-hour chart. So I'm sorry, we were not able to do anything major on this, but if you see, these are the 2 candles of the day. We started in the decision zone, we went up and we stayed up yesterday. So we started in the zone, we went up, we stayed there. We did not reach our first target, but yes, we stayed up because the market condition did not allow us to reach the first target. But beautifully, we opened in the decision zone and we went up and we could score with this trade. Let's look at something else. Let's look at mid-cap Nifty. Look at the mid-cap Nifty, how beautifully we opened higher. If you see, we opened higher. We took some resistance at the first level. We came down right near our buy above threshold and we went up back up again. And that probably gave us 13,285 to 13,400. That's like, how many? About 85, 15. 258, that is, so about 260, 40 and another 40, 80 points on the Fin Nifty. So if you see, we got about 80 points on this transaction. Again, levels important. If you see how often this particular level has been tagged, once we got resistance, second we got resistance, third time we got resistance, fourth time we crossed, fifth time again we tried to take support at the same level, and sixth time we bounced off it. How important this level was, you can gauge from what we see. This level was really important and we gave it to you pre-market. So imagine we know about these levels before even the market starts. Now, whether it's going to come in on that day or not is not always something that we can give. But yes, it's an important level and we looked at it. Let's look at copper. There are 10 charts I give you. This is the 5th chart in the condition, in the move. This is the day we moved lower. We nearly tagged our first support. So we nearly got our first target. Look how beautifully it bounced. Very near to the first target, bounced back up in, again went up, and then again came down lower to retest somewhere around the buy above level. And we went up and tagged the first target and ended the day just about there. Again, levels important. Note the levels, guys. This video is all about levels. And I'm trying to share with you how important are the levels that we share with you and how often they are tagged in the market. Let's go to the next chart. Let's look at copper now. The next chart is crude. Let's look at crude. What happened here? This is the start of the day. We moved up. We tagged our first level. Resistance at the first level. First resistance, second area resistance, third again resistance. We moved down. We came back into our decision level and we moved lower. Again, levels important. We stayed a lot of time in the decision area. We took resistance at these levels and we came down. Levels, guys, this is all that I'm trying to mark out to you in this particular video. Let's go to gold. Gold here. Look here again. We started the day a little at the lower end of the segment. We moved up. We crossed the bar above area, took support on this candle, the 30-minute chart. We took support at 30-minute candle. Look how beautifully we got to the first level. Again, taking resistance at the first level and coming down and trying to move back up. Again, levels important, guys. The first resistance level that we got to our profits and were pushed down. Again, trying to move up. Again, this level will play up on the 6th today. That's what I hope. But basically, trying to emphasize what are the important levels we tag and how beautifully the market respects the levels that we gave. Let's go to natural gas. This is the 7th chart, I guess. What do you see here? We go down. We don't reach our first target. We move back up, spend some time in the decision area, move up, first level. We face a little bit of resistance, do a little bit of consolidation here. Remember, there's a 30-minute chart. It's about 30 minutes of consolidation. We go up, tag the second level, and look how beautifully that was the level that we got, and that's where the rally ended. And we started to get a little bit of a resistance from that level. Levels, guys, again, I mean, all the charts, you see all the charts, and they give you the same story. Now we are on to silver. This is the 9th chart of the day. So we've seen levels working on all the charts. 9th chart of the day, how beautifully we stayed in the decision level, moved up, crossed the first line beautifully. We didn't get a test on the first line because we crossed it with a lot of momentum. Did have some tests a little higher than the line. We got to the second line, started to face resistance there, back down again. Now, in this case, the levels were not very accurate, but very close by to what we gave you. Let's go to the next one. The last chart of the day, that was zinc. Again, we closed lower, we gapped down. We gapped down, open near the second level. Now, the first support level became important. Once we crossed the first support level with a down candle, that support level turned into resistance. And we moved down and beautiful move down. We crossed our second level, kept on moving down. If you see, this level again was important because when the prices reversed, you had 1, 2, 3 touches on this level, tried to send it back down again, could not, we pushed back up again, close to the first level, somewhere around this line, we got a second push down and we ended the day lower. So these were 10 charts that I shared with you. And on all the 10 charts, you've seen that, on all the 10 charts, you've seen that the levels that we give you are so important. Remember, trading is all about moving from level to level. So if you know what levels to start your trade from, where to end them, that makes trading so much more easier. There's no guesswork as to where to start from and where to take that trade up to and where to book your profits, where to put your stop losses. Trading is about identifying those levels and trading from one to the another. So what I'm trying to do with these videos is trying to emphasize on you how important it is to mark levels on the chart. And we give that to you on a platter on a daily basis. And yes, we charge you for it, but that's a very small charge. These are 10 charts, 10 opportunities to make money from the markets. And imagine what we charge you is 10 rupees a day per chart. That's ridiculously low. And you can start with small futures. I won't ask you to trade in options. Futures, yes, you can start small. Nifty, 75K, around 75K. Bank Nifty, around 95K. Fin Nifty, around 75K. Again, mid-cap Nifty, around 90K. Natural gas, around 40, 45K. You've got gold mini, you've got silver mini, you've got crude, you've got small lots on everything that I distribute. And you can start with under a lakh of rupees per lot on any of these charts and start making money from them. Now, I invite you, and I'm going to add some links below on this video. I'm going to add the link to a free course that I have as to how to trade this strategy. And yeah, the link to a webinar that I have detailing more about what I want to discuss about this strategy in more detail, because this cannot be a very long video. So I have a webinar of an hour, which will give you quite a detailed study about how I want you to trade on this and how it is better than any other strategy. It takes care of all the technical analysis points that you need to consider. You don't know technical analysis, no problem. The strategy takes care of everything that you need to know about technical analysis. And believe me, guys, the philosophy here with my trading is focus on one thing, focus on one strategy, master it, and make money. You want to make more money, just scale up, add more capital to that particular trade as you go better on a particular strategy, add more scale on it, bring home more money. You don't need to trade 10 strategies and distribute your thought process. Your expertise are not going to get big because you're all over the place. You need to focus on one energy. You need to focus on one strategy, and you need to keep on practicing. And the more you practice on a daily basis, the more better you get at that strategy. So it's a brilliant plan. You need to look at it, and I can help you through the way. Join me, and I assure you that you'll be profitable in my under my guidance. Look forward to engaging with you. That's it for this video, and hopefully you should find encouragement to use this strategy for your day trading. Thank you.